بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome in Muslim Kids World TV. سورة الإخلاص. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Ya Allah, make this channel of Tariq Mahmood blessed and beneficial. Make it a source of goodness and guidance. Grant him sincerity and acceptance in it and make it a continuing charity, Sadaqah Jariyah, for him until the day of judgment. Ya Allah, bless Tariq Mahmood, forgive him, elevate his ranks, expand his provision, enlighten his heart, and protect him from every evil and harm. Ya Allah, forgive the parents of Tariq Mahmood, have mercy on them as they raised him when he was small. Make them among the forgiven and the shown mercy and unite them with him in the gardens of bliss. Ya Allah, guide the children of Tariq Mahmood, bless them, make them a source of joy for him, grant them benefit in their religion and worldly life, protect them from every trial and calamity. Ya Allah, bless the descendants and progeny of Tariq Mahmood until the day of judgment. Make them people of faith, obedience and righteousness. Cause goodness to flow through their hands, keep them steadfast upon your upright religion, and make them a means of spreading goodness and guidance. Ya Allah, bless the viewers and participants of this channel, reward them with goodness, grant them beneficial knowledge and righteous deeds, protect their children, and make them among the fortunate in this world and the hereafter. Ya Allah, gather us all, me, Tariq Mahmood, his parents, his children, his progeny, and those who love him for your sake, in the gardens of bliss, along with the prophets, the truthful, the martyrs, and the righteous. And excellent are those as companions.
Muslim Kids World TV and click the bell icon to keep watching the same good videos.